What's up guys, if you are looking for the best gift box for your loved one, then this video is definitely for you. So don't skip the video and support me via your like, comment and share. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you can design a beautiful gift box. So let's get started. Things that you need for this project are as follows: one simple farming sheet and one stylish farming sheet, and these called steps, and of course cardboard, one glue gun, scissor, and little bit straws. So make sure that you have cut out cardboard as follows. First of all, you have to take these strips and round it like this. So by using glue gun, you have to paste some glue over here. So now cut the extra strip from here. I'm going to do it fast. So now our first project is completed. Now I'm using this simple farming sheet over here. You can use your own choice that you like. Okay, now we need to cut out this stylish farming sheet like this. So again, repeat the same process as you have seen before. Okay, so now you can see that our gift box is almost prepared. Now I will use these straws or sticks like this. So by using glue gun, we have to paste over here. So I'm going to make it fast. So its one side is almost prepared. Now I will cut extra straws from here. So now you can see it's look like beautiful. So now repeat the same process on the other side. Okay, now cut out these extra straws from here. So now you can see it's more beautiful as before it was not. So now I will paste this stylish farming sheet on the top of the hard box. Use some glue over here to make it more strong. You can paste anything on the top of the box as you like. So now I will use these stylish scotch tapes over here. So again use different color of scotch tapes at the bottom. Now you can see that it looks like more beautiful. So now you can insert anything, any gift for your lover one. So I'm using this watch as a gift. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more ideas and crafts. Thanks for watching.